What's doing? Welcome back. Something a little bit different on the dyno today. We have another fridge. Washing machine, one of them, whatever you want to call it. This is an import Hiace. Has the 1GD motor in it with BPF. But yes, it's Japanese. I don't know if you can see anything Japanese, but it's Japanese. Not that it matters because they all come to Australia anyway. But this is a Japanese 1GD auto. It's got the earlier model injectors, not the piezo or anything like that. But we've done some upgrades. In here, we're putting some plus 30s from Diesel Geeks, and down there is a Gturbo G300. Yeah, should be a good thing. Let's get on the dyno and see what she does. I had already done a previous run. This was stock. We did this last week before we did the mods. So 91 kilowatts and 265 newton meters of fury. Let's see what she does now. It's got some bigger upgrades. So the first one, a little bit too sweaty. So you can see, I went a bit too fat in the first run, but good gains. But yeah, I can just need to adjust this. We can play around the booster as well, get a bit of a flatter line. But we're getting there. That's only first run. So now I've got some data, so we can see what it's doing, and we can make some adjustments. Go again. So after another adjustment, we've got some there. So we've got a little bit less boost, but we're a little bit less fuel as well. But we're making more power and torque. So probably a couple more adjustments. It doesn't come out of the box first time every time, obviously, but new vehicle as well. So I'll have some more adjustments and see where this ends up. There we go, you've seen the run. It's taken me about 6 or 7 renditions to get it right. But here we are at the end. It's still running here now. But so in at 91 and 265, out at 171 and 527. I'll put the horsepower readings up here so you know what that is in horsepower. But look at the gain, like massive power gain, massive torque gain. Like you nearly double the power and about the same or more in torque. Big gains. So now there's more in this turbo, but we're just going to keep this, nice, reliable. We've done an auto tuning as well, so it should have 4th, 5th, and 6th lockup. Should drive really nice. Be super responsive. It's making that power and torque flat the whole way. Like it's a flat. You can see there's flat. Like you look here, it is flat, and that is flat. So that means it's going to be awesome drive. It's going to have a wicked power curve and a wicked torque curve where it's just continuously pulling, and it'll be super nice to drive. If you want to have some goodness in your Hiace, we can keep it generally pretty stock. It's just some injectors, a turbo, and she's good to go. So in the Hiace G300, plus 30 injectors, I've driven it, she's hella fast. I'm going to get Jess to drive it and see what she thinks. All right, let us know what you think, Jess.
Oh my god! Fucking fastest postman in Cleveland.
This thing is an absolute weapon. Alright, we better check, make sure it's good, so we'll go again.
Take 2.
We're going to 60 obviously, so it gets to 60 really fast. So
80.
calm down. So if you want a G300 plus 30 injectors on your Hiace, come see me. We'll get your courier van or your family wagon, get them to school quicker. That's it for the Hiace Gturbo G300, some plus 30s, a tune, and that's it. This will get more with a better exhaust, better intercooler, probably a bigger fuel pump with a stroker pump in it, and we can keep going and making more and more. But with the power it's making now and the torque, it's going to be chalk and cheese. So if you're interested in this stuff, let me know. We can do more of it. Just trying to do something different. G-Turbo on a Hiace is not something to do every day. And it's something cool. But that's it for this one. Hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.